And so, our first pain point when dealing with insurance brokers is always talk to me about your COI process. How picky are you? Can we grab them ourselves? Do you have a software program? Because without that, you really don't want to wait 24, 48 hours for a request to go through. It's just a lot more for our team to track. So first and foremost, that. I think second of all, I'll be honest, I did not come up from the insurance industry. I don't really understand the lingo, or I didn't really understand it. And so I think having a broker and a team that kind of lets you ask kind of the silly questions and just really helps you understand what you're even asking, what information to fill out on the questionnaires, why it matters. I think sometimes that's hard to find. So I think that's been a big shift. I think in the last 2 or 3 years now, we've been working together. I can say that I actually better understand the policies that we have and why we have them and why we need them and why I need to advocate for them. And more importantly, why I have to spend the money on them.